Being an imaginative and remarkable token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous of late. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a wise speculation. Nexo specialized investigation. As indicated by verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a cryptographic money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient pattern backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token at present just has half of its absolute stockpile available for use. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is inside the best 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having ideal long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed continuously. On the off chance that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend sooner rather than later. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo cryptographic money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be $1.25. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.42. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.29. Nexo return for capital invested 69% by Nexo value estimate for January 2023 in light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 86 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 78 cents and at 89 cents. Separately, Nexo return on initial capital investment 7.1% by February 2023. Nexo value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Nexo cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 86 cents, while the greatest could reach 93 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 90 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 11.9% by Nexo value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they foresee may be around 93 cents in WALK 2023. It can drop to 89 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 97 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 16.7% by April 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-year 2022. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at 96 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $1.02. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 93 cents in April 2023. Nexo return for money invested 21.4% by Nexo value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Nexo costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 99 cents. The most minimal and top Nexo rates may be 95 cents and $1.06. Nexo return for capital invested 26.2% by June 2023. Nexo value figure crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Nexo cost will be around $1.03. In June 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least 99 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.11 in June 2023. Nexo return for capital invested 32.1% by Nexo value estimate for July 2023. Having examined Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.17 in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $1.03. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Nexo is almost $1.06. Nexo return for money invested 39.3% by August 2023. Nexo value conjecture around mid-2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.11. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Nexo cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.06 and $1.21. Nexo return on initial capital investment 44% by Nexo value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least $1.11. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.25. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.15. Nexo return for capital invested 48.8% by October 2023. Nexo value figure cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Nexo costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. the most extreme exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.30, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.15. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1.20. Nexo return on initial capital investment 54.8% by Nexo value figure for November 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $1.24 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.21 and at $1.36. Separately, Nexo return for money invested 61.9% by December 2023. Nexo value estimate digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Nexo cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.25, while the most extreme could reach $1.42 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $1.29. Nexo return for money invested 69% by Nexo value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.96. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $2.21. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.01 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo. In 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.87 and $3.38 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.95. Nexo value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Nexo and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $4.31, while its most extreme can reach $4.93. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $4.46. Nexo value expectation 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2027, $7.37 and $6.45. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $6.67. Nexo value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Nexo. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $10.08. It could drop to at least $9.74. However, it actually could reach $11.46 all through 2028. Nexo value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital currency specialists get ready figures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $13.